Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you a secret remedy that can used in the Korean girls in so long years ago. And still they are used in this remedy to get a glowing tighten in skin. So friends, I will share this remedy that can help you to get a glowing and tighten in skin. So let's start. At first I take boiled rice. Then I take honey and my third ingredient is milk. But friends, this is only optional. My skin is so much dry and also a rashy skin, so that kind I used milk powder. But if your skin is a normal sensitive, no sensitive skin and oily skin, then you can use yogurt for optional milk. Avoid milk if your skin is oily, sensitive, and used that purpose yogurt. So friends, let's start. How can I mix this? It's water, normal tap water. It's needed if I want to import some little bit of your water, then I can use it. At first I take 2 tablespoons of rice. It's and try to mash properly. It's already mashed it, but I also try to take a little bit in smooth paste because I want this smooth paste. Korean girls and Japanese girls are also use this for their beauty's reason. This face mask is called Grandma face mask or Grandma Beauty Secrets. But friends, it's a little bit hard, but if you want to mix this boiled rice in a blender, then you can use it. That's not problem and not a big issue. My boiled rice is almost mashed it. Now this time I can add honey. I take 1 tablespoon of honey. Now add milk. 1 tablespoon of milk. It's a milk powder. If you want to add liquid milk, then you can use it. Yogurt is much better than milk powder, so you can use it. My face mask is ready. Now I can show you how can this apply on my hand. So friends, I clean up my hands and now I can add this remedy on my hand. I can use my hands to apply this. Take this one and little bit massage on your skin. You can use this face mask full of your body, because if you want to watch your skin get and glowing and tighten skin, then you can use full body. This Korean face mask remove your wrinkles, fine lines, eye dark spots and also dark circles remover that can use it. Friend, this time if you have not any part of it, these ingredients like honey and yogurt, this time you can use aloe vera gel or coconut oil to alternatively use it. Boiled rice tighten your skin and also remove your dead cell skins, fine lines, wrinkles problem, and honey help to glowing skin and also remove your dark spots. Friends, leave it 20 minutes, and also I will tell you, use this remedy before going to a bath, before this is the best time to use this remedy. After 20 minutes later, then when it is wet, fully dry, then you can take a wet tissue or wet cotton ball and massage it slowly to remove all these remedies. Friends, I will show you 20 minutes later that how much glowing in my hands. Friends, look how much glowing on my hands, and also I feel my skin is soft and glowing. This time when you washed your full body, then you can also use your moisturizer cream that you used regularly, because it moisturizes your whole body insidely and outsidely. Just massage it. Your beauty secrets is a complete, and your beauty tips is also complete to get a glowing and whitening skin. Try this remedy 3 or 4 times in a week and also get a better result. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.